Welcome to Wall Street, the beating heart of global finance, where fortunes are made and lost in the blink of an eye. This iconic street in New York City is home to the New York Stock Exchange, the largest stock exchange in the world by market capitalization. Here, traders in colorful vests hustle and bustle, making split-second decisions that can impact the global economy. But what exactly happens here, and why is it so important? Ever wonder how companies like Apple or Amazon became so big? These tech giants started as small ventures and grew into the behemoths they are today, thanks in large part to the stock market. By issuing shares to the public, they raised the capital needed to innovate, expand, and dominate their industries. But it's not just about the big names. Thousands of companies, big and small, rely on the stock market to fuel their growth and bring their visions to life. It's all thanks to the stock market. This dynamic and ever-changing marketplace is where investors buy and sell shares of companies, hoping to profit from their success. The stock market is a barometer of economic health, reflecting the collective optimism or pessimism of investors around the world. When the market is up, it signals confidence in the economy. When it's down, it can indicate uncertainty or fear. But what exactly are these shares and why do they matter? Think of it as a giant marketplace where pieces of companies called stocks are bought and sold. Each stock represents a small ownership stake in a company. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a piece of that company and becoming a part owner. This means you share in its profits and losses. The value of your stock can go up or down based on the company's performance and other factors, such as market trends and economic conditions. These stocks represent ownership, and anyone can buy in. You don't need to be a millionaire or a financial expert to invest in the stock market. With the advent of online trading platforms and mobile apps, buying and selling stocks has never been easier. You can start with just a few dollars and gradually build your portfolio over time. The key is to do your research, understand the risks, and make informed decisions. You don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to participate. The stock market is more accessible than ever, thanks to technology and the wealth of information available online. There are countless resources, from financial news websites to investment forums, that can help you learn the ropes and stay informed. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a complete beginner, there's a place for you in the stock market. The stock market is open to everyone, from seasoned investors to those just starting. It's a level playing field where anyone can participate and potentially profit. Diversity in the stock market is growing, with people from all walks of life getting involved. Whether you're a young professional looking to grow your savings, a retiree seeking to supplement your income, or someone in between, the stock market offers opportunities for everyone. It's a powerful tool to grow your wealth over time. So, buckle up. Investing in the stock market can be a rewarding journey, but it's important to have a long-term perspective. While there will be ups and downs along the way, history has shown that the stock market tends to rise over the long term. By staying patient and disciplined, you can harness the power of compounding and watch your investments grow. We're about to demystify the stock market and empower you to make informed financial decisions. In the following chapters, we'll explore the basics of investing, different types of stocks, and strategies to help you succeed. We'll also look at the risks involved and how to manage them. Our goal is to give you the knowledge and confidence to navigate the stock market and achieve your financial goals. So, let's get started on this exciting journey together. Imagine your favorite company as a delicious pie. When you buy stock, you're buying a slice of that pie. The bigger your slice, the bigger your stake in the company. As the company grows and becomes more valuable, so does your slice of pie. Now, if only real pies worked that way, right? This ownership is what makes the stock market so exciting. You're not just watching from the sidelines, you're a part owner, cheering for your companies to succeed. Why would any company want to share its pie? Well, just like you and me, companies need money to grow. They use this money to expand, develop new products, or hire more employees. Selling shares on the stock market, also known as going public, is a way for companies to raise this capital. It's a win-win situation. Companies get the funding they need, and everyday investors like us get a chance to share in their success. Now, how does this buying and selling actually work? It's all about supply and demand, a constant dance between buyers and sellers. When there's more demand for a stock, more buyers, its price goes up. Conversely, when there are more sellers than buyers, the price goes down. This fluctuation is what makes the stock market both exciting and unpredictable. It's like a giant auction happening in real time, with millions of shares changing hands every second. Section 5, where stocks trade. Imagine a bustling marketplace, but instead of fruits and vegetables, it's stocks being traded. These marketplaces are called stock exchanges, with the New York Stock Exchange and Nasdaq being the most famous in the United States. These exchanges act as intermediaries, connecting buyers and sellers and ensuring fair and orderly trading. Think of them as the referees of the stock market, making sure everything runs smoothly. Section 6. Keeping score. With thousands of companies and their stocks floating around, how do we keep track of the market's overall performance? That's where stock market indices come in. You've probably heard of the Dow Jones Industrial Average or the S&P 500. These indices are like scoreboards, tracking a select group of companies to represent the overall health of the market. A rising index generally indicates a healthy market, while a falling one might signal trouble. Section 7. Playing the long game. Not all investors are created equal. In the vast and dynamic world of investing, there are various strategies and approaches that individuals adopt based on their goals, risk tolerance, and time horizons. Some investors are like seasoned marathon runners, pacing themselves for the long journey ahead, while others are more like sprinters, seeking quick gains in a short period. Some are in it for the long haul, like patient gardeners nurturing their plants. These long-term investors understand that the market is a complex ecosystem, much like a garden, requiring time, patience, and care. They plant their seeds, water them, and wait for them to grow, knowing that the fruits of their labor will not be immediate, but will be worth the wait. These long-term investors believe in the power of compounding and aim to hold onto their stocks for years, riding out the market's ups and downs. They are not swayed by the daily fluctuations of the market. Instead, they focus on the bigger picture, understanding that over time, the market tends to grow. They invest in companies they believe in, trusting that these businesses will thrive and generate returns in the long run. Then there are the short-term traders, the daredevils of the stock market. These individuals thrive on the adrenaline rush of making quick decisions and capitalizing on short-term price movements. They are constantly analyzing market trends, news, and data, looking for any opportunity to make a profit. Their approach is fast-paced and requires a keen eye for detail and a strong understanding of market dynamics. They're constantly buying and selling, trying to capitalize on short-term price swings. These traders are like surfers riding the waves, always on the lookout for the next big swell. They must be quick, decisive, and ready to act at a moment's notice. The rewards can be substantial, but so can the risks. One wrong move, and they could wipe out. It's a high-risk, high-reward game, not for the faint of heart. The stock market can be as unpredictable as a roller coaster, with its dizzying highs and stomach-churning lows. For short-term traders, the thrill of the ride is part of the appeal, but it requires nerves of steel and a well-thought-out strategy to navigate the twists and turns successfully. Whether you're a long-term investor or a short-term trader, it's crucial to have a clear plan and stick to it. Understanding your own risk tolerance and financial goals will help you choose the right approach. Consulting with a financial advisor can provide valuable insights and help you make informed decisions that align with your objectives. Ultimately, the key to successful investing is finding a strategy that works for you and staying disciplined. The market will always have its ups and downs, but with the right mindset and approach, you can navigate it successfully and achieve your financial goals. Section 8. The thrill and the spill. Like a roller coaster, the stock market comes with its share of thrills and spills. While the potential for profit is alluring, it's crucial to remember that investing always carries risks. Market crashes, economic recessions, or even company-specific news can impact stock prices, sometimes dramatically. Diversifying your portfolio and investing only what you can afford to lose are crucial to navigating these risks. Section 9. Your first stock. Ready to dip your toes into the stock market? It's an exciting journey that can be both rewarding and educational. The first step is to open a brokerage account. This account will serve as your gateway to the world of stocks, allowing you to buy and sell shares with ease. Think of it as your personal portal to the stock market, where you can manage your investments, track your portfolio, and execute trades. For beginners, index funds are a great option. These funds are essentially baskets of stocks that track a particular market index, such as the S&P 500. By investing in index funds, you gain instant diversification, which means your investment is spread across many different companies. This reduces risk and can lead to more stable returns over time. It's like buying a small piece of the entire market, a smart and simple way to start your investing journey. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you learn about the stock market, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Keep Keep learning, stay informed, and watch your money grow in the exciting world of the stock market. Stay updated with financial news, read books on investing, and consider taking online courses to deepen your understanding. Attending seminars and webinars can also be incredibly beneficial. These events often feature experienced investors and financial experts who can provide valuable insights and tips. Joining investment clubs or online forums can also be a great way to learn from others and share your own experiences. As you become more comfortable with the basics, you might want to explore more advanced strategies such as technical analysis, which involves studying stock charts and patterns to predict future price movements. Fundamental analysis is another important tool where you evaluate a company's financial health by reviewing its financial statements, earnings reports, and other key metrics. Setting clear financial goals is crucial. Whether you're saving for retirement, a major purchase, or simply looking to grow your wealth, having specific objectives will help guide your investment decisions. Regularly review and adjust your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. The stock market can be volatile, so it's important to stay flexible and adapt to changing conditions. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, and learn from your mistakes. Investing is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to achieving your financial goals. Imagine the possibilities that smart investing can bring: financial freedom, the ability to travel, and the peace of mind that comes with knowing your future is secure. So take that first step, open your brokerage account, and start your journey into the world of stocks. With patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn, you can achieve great things. Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is now. Happy investing. Happy.